No intro? Oh, well, that makes sense, since this video today is very special. Alright, let's stop beating around the bush. Today I have a very special announcement. So, as some of you know, I have an Etsy that I kind of abandoned for a few months, but we are back in swinging colors with a new name, new look, and a whole new products. So, if you're ready to see what I've been working on for the last while, well, boom! My new name is Perky Frills Accessories Filmmaking Aesthetics. Now, right now, the filmmaking part of that is still in the making, but never fear, because I am selling a bunch of these adorable, affordable, handmade friendship bracelets, which are available tomorrow, July 7th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for you to buy. So, now let me go ahead and introduce you to my 5 sweet children. My 5 beloved bracelet designs. So, firstly, we have the bracelet 𝘂𝑟𝑎. I promise I did not just whip that name out of a hat. The design of it is a regular style. It is a lovely blue, white, pink, gold pattern that I think is just so stinking cute. It reminds me of, like, the beach. I don't know, but yes, there will be a total of 3 𝘂𝑟𝑎 bracelets available to purchase on my Etsy starting again tomorrow, July 7th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For every bracelet sold, there's a adjustable thing on it, so no matter your wrist size, this bad boy should fit it. As you can see, it's so easy to put on, like I didn't even need any help. And then I like to wrap the tail end of the bracelet around the back like this, so yes. But that is not all. The 𝘂𝑟𝑎 also comes with a choice of a matching pink scrunchie that I also handmade. I think it's just, it just looks so completed with the scrunchie, but you do not have to get it with the bracelet. You can choose. So just the bracelet is $3.65, and if you do decide to add the matching little scrunchie, it is $4.85. The next bracelet is named Miss Elegant. It's a really lovely, sophisticated bracelet with peachy pink colors. This bracelet is a regular style, and again, it is adjustable as you can see, and again, very easy to put on. And Miss Elegant comes with this perfect little dainty gold scrunchie that really just goes with the look, okay? Like, you want to get compliments, get the matching gold scrunchie, but that is your choice. Without the scrunchie, it's going to be $3.65, and then with the scrunchie, it is $4.85. Now please welcome Baroness, which is the 3rd bracelet today. It's a royal blue, gold, emerald green, and pink regular style bracelet that indeed comes with a matching gold scrunchie. For this one, the scrunchie just adds, like, you know, and as always, let's admire the adjustableness and the put on. This is $3.65 without the scrunchie and $4.85 with the scrunchie. Now let's dive into the slightly more pricey bracelets, which are still more affordable than most handmade friendship bracelets right now on Etsy. So first we have the Breezy, which is a wide stripe design. This bracelet is probably my favorite with the blue, yellow, green, and pink pattern. It just makes me think of youthfulness. Like, I might be delusional, but it just reminds me of my glory days as a 6-year-old. I don't know, but it also is very aesthetic. This is adjustable as always, and it's only $4.60. However, if you decide to add the yellow scrunchie that goes with it, you'll still only pay $5.08. Lastly, we are stumbling upon our last design called Tropic. So this is a braided stitch style bracelet that has 3 very tropical colors, teal, orange, and yellow, and I'm kind of in love with the colors. It just totally reminds me of like a safari or something. I don't know. This obviously has an adjustable function like the other ones, and it has a white mesh scrunchie that you can choose to go with it or not. So just the bracelet by itself is $4.60, and with the scrunchie it's $5.08. So yes, those are all the bracelets, and that's what I've been hiding from you for so long now. Now, if you're still watching, you are cooler than everybody else because you could get a discount. So if you buy from my Etsy in the first 3 days of my shop's opening using the code PFOpening, you will get 15% off your order. So now I'm just wondering, which one will you get?